As the president of a successful business, if you struggle to create a self-sustaining business on autopilot that does not need its owners and executives to be involved in the day-to-day, it's not your fault. The open secret is that the management industry has created a mindset that has left huge gaps in the way we manage people. These management philosophies have not changed much in the last 140 years, and they're failing us. We put man on the moon and brought him home safe. We carry in the palms of our hands what used to be a giant supercomputer just 50 years ago. But we still manage our people the way we did when the Egyptians built the pyramids and the Romans built their cities, which is by owning those we lead and using fear to get them to do what we want them to do. The most basic fundamentals of modern management theories were developed in the 1800s for machine-age management, and they do not apply in today's knowledge-intensive work. The basic element of most management theories is that they see or they view people as two-dimensional entities, which are behaviors and intellect. They ignore what makes us human: our inspiration and wisdom, our emotions and aspirations, our unique identity with gifts and talents. In other words, they pretend that we are a bunch of robots. This sets us up for a failure in managing people, which shows up in the way we build our businesses. Such a mindset does not allow us to create a self-empowered, self-sustaining, self-perpetuating organization that can go on without daily intervention from the people at the top. And that's the open secret. At some deep level, perhaps subconsciously, you already knew it. The open secret is that the traditional management theories have failed you, failed us. And the only way to truly create a self-sustaining business is to build your own business management philosophy. The only way to truly make your business self-perpetuating without you actively driving it from its core is for you to be your own business philosopher. It's up to you what you will do with this knowledge. Will you continue to go on building your business the way it has always been done? Or will you take the initiative to change your approach to building your business? Will your approach to business building be a source of inspiration and empowerment for your people? Or will it be a source of crushing dread and a powerless dependency? Will you continue, Mr. President or Madam President, to be the single point of failure in your business? Or will you choose to be the single source of inspiration? Will you choose to continue to put out fires and manage by the seat of your pants? Or will you architect a blueprint that will allow you to create a self-empowered group of people who will take your business way beyond you ever thought was possible? If you choose the latter, I invite you to take the first step today with a free in-depth assessment of the health of your business. With this assessment, I invite you to lay the philosophical foundation, a blueprint for your business that treats human beings as human beings, not a bunch of robots. If you do, I believe that you'll be rewarded with an organization that takes a life of its own. Because the people who work for you will not be managed as lifeless robots, but as living, breathing human beings. Thank you for watching. Hi, my name is Bhavesh Nayak with aware.com. That's AWAYRE.com, where presidents, CEOs, and executives of successful business organizations go to be the best business philosophers their business has. I bring you resources, frameworks, ideas, strategies, and tools to help you and the people in your organization build a self-sustaining, self-perpetuating, scalable business on autopilot that does not need for its leaders and managers to get involved in the day-to-day operations running their business. To get started, please take the free health check below, and you'll be presented with a framework to help you build the philosophical foundation for a self-sustaining business. Thank you for watching.